G'day, this is Jason here from Forex and Forex UTurn. Today is November the 15th, 2011. We're first going to start off, like always, on the Euro US dollar chart. Okay, and as you can see, we had a nice trend down in here in the UK session. Started at 10 o'clock right here. Okay, so once we broke through this support, which we did right here, okay, this would have been your opportunity to sell right here. Boom. Filter was red. Everything was good to go. So if you would have sold somewhere up here, 50 pips to the bottom real quick. So you had about a 33 pip stop, 35 pip stop. You would have got your 2-to-1 ratio. Okay? Then it basically went into a disaster zone here. Usually, you know, it'll do a fake out to go up here, come back down, do another fake out to go short, and then another fake out, and then it'll do what it's going to do. But it just kept doing it and doing it and doing it. And I was trading it. Oh, yeah. Good old U.S. traders here. Man, oh, man. Anyway, I got out alive. I was trading okay, I guess. But I got killed a few times today, too. I think I had more losing trades than winning trades. But my pips ended up to be more than what I lost. But anyway, it was a terrible mess in here. Okay, I have not seen it like this I haven't seen a day like this. I'm trying to remember the last day. I think it was about a year ago or something, where you had so many fake outs. You know, there's like 1, 2. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of the buggers before it decided to come down. You know, and by then it was too late. The session was over, and it was just too late. Anyway, if you did the UK session, you did a nice trade all the way down into here. But this US session was a friggin' mess. Okay, let's move on to the 1 minute now, and let's go back in time. Okay, here's 8 o'clock. No. We want 9 o'clock. Sorry about that, ladies and gents. There's 9 o'clock. Okay. There was no trade here. It bounced right off of this support level. It looked like there was a trade. And it went 12 pips to the bottom if you would have done it, but there was no trade there because this low bounced off of these lows within a pip or so. There's nothing in here because there was black in the filter. And in here, there was, by the time it turned, let's see. Oh yeah, here was a trade right here. Okay, it came down, boom, you would have sold it. You would have made your 10 pips there. So you got one. You got into a trade right there at 9:51, which is 9 minutes before 3. And that's about it, ladies and gents. Hold on, is this a trade here? No, his entry was right here as black in the filter. And plus to there, well, it was 10 pips. So yeah, it could have been an entry, but it was black in the filter. So the only trade was right here that I can see. Okay, thanks for looking at those. Let's look at our pound now quickly. Okay, pound seems to be going back up now. It would have gave you an advanced method to buy a dip here at around 3 o'clock. Didn't get you very far, and then it just rolled over and run down quickly. And then went sideways. I don't know if you would have got into a trade here. No, it was black in the filter then. And then over here in the US session at 8:30, it would have told you to sell right here. Look at that. Look at the pound didn't do so bad as the euro did. It didn't chop as much. Stop would have been around 35 pips. And to the bottom, you got about 66 pips. So you got pretty close to 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. Okay, so that's it for the pound. Let's look at the Swiss. The Swiss, you know, what you could basically do after 10 o'clock is buy dips into the trigger. Buy dips, buy dips. There was no selling in here because the filter was blue. No selling at all in here. And then it basically came up to resistance here. So there was no trade buying right here on this dip because it bounced off of resistance. So all that you can do basically on the Swissy is buy dips in here and in here. And that's it. So let's look at the Forex UTurn now. Okay. There was no formation in here, no W or M formation, and it just kept coming down with the euro. It's like it never caught any of this big move down. But as you can see, it looks like a head and shoulders, doesn't it? Here's the head. Here's the left shoulder. Here's the right shoulder. So if you trade head and shoulders, you would have sold right in here, and down it came. And guaranteed, you bet you Skippy that you're going to see an inverse head and shoulders on the 1 hour on the US dollar index if you're to go look at it. Because it's identical to the euro in an opposite way because it's rigged together. Okay, the pound, same thing in the pound. Here's another head and shoulders. Boom. Would have sold it in here. Down she goes. Okay, so there was no formations in here either. Or up here. Maybe we'll get a nice one to buy here soon. Have to wait and see. So thanks for watching my videos today, and I just want to say once again that we're getting very close to the release of my new trading system, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. It doesn't, like I said before, there's no histogram indicators in the bottom, nor is there any moving averages on the chart. I think you're going to really like it. Okay, so thanks for watching, and you have a great day.